Right, so if you don't want to sign in with a Microsoft login, do the following steps. So here we are at the starting screen. We select our region, select yes on that. The right keyboard layout. All right. Skip, don't want to add no more keyboards. All right, so what Microsoft is actually going to try to do is force you to use a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, they will make you make one so you can sign into Windows. It helps them with telemetry and it creates a bit of convenience if you have multiple devices. So this is the important part right here. So if you select set up for personal use, the first line they say it right there, we'll help you set it up with a personal Microsoft account. What you want to do if you want a local account, you just set up for an organization. You hit next. It will tell you, hey, sign in with a Microsoft account. Not a trick. So you go down, domain join instead. There you go. You're right back to installing it to whatever name you want to use. So who's going to use this PC? Put your name, hit next. You put your password, your super secure password. You hit next again. Confirm that password. You hit next. And you answer some security questions. I'm just going to put, because this is a demo, I'm going to burn this after, so it doesn't really matter. And doesn't really matter the questions, to say answer. Now there are people that do this in real life. I would advise you to not. All right, now as we move forward, this is something else you might want to just disable every single thing. I mean, there's no point in them knowing all of this if you just want to use your laptop. And then you just press accept. And at Cortana, nope, no Cortana. You're just trying to get to the desktop with your login and just start doing your own thing.